Hey guys, Stephen Pender with Leafblaster. And today we're returning back to a client's home where we did a gutter guard installation 2 years ago this spring. So it's been through 2 years of spring and fall and summer and winter. This client had bought this home 3 years ago. She gave me a call because she thought her gutters were clogged and were overflowing. Come to find out, she just had the aluminum perforated installed on her home, and water, again, as we know, just kind of comes over it. So she gave me a call, tried to figure out what was going on, thought maybe she just needed her gutters cleaned. In fact, she just needed this taken off and a gutter guard that actually works installed. So here we are 2 years later to kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So this particular client is battling 2 trees, which are giving her most of her problems. I believe this is some sort of Bradford pear potentially here, very flowery in the spring. All these flowers are gonna be coming down soon. Here we've got a maple over there, that's gonna be dropping the little helicopters. And so without the gutter guard, her gutters would be clogged in about 2 months from these 2 trees. But again, we've got the Leafblaster Pro up there, so let's hop up on the ladder and see how it's doing. Taking a look at our first stretch of gutter here over top the garage. And you can see they're basically looking like the day they were installed. All right, up on the roof here, taking a look at the back of the home. This is the stretch of gutter over above her porch. And again, as you can see, they're just looking beautiful. Even close proximity to the tree, these guards are maintaining themselves no problem. And here we go to the second story of the front of the home. And we'll just start panning down. Alrighty, so here we are, right underneath the tree on the front of the home, 2 stories up. And in 2 years, this client's never had to brush her guards. They've been working just fine. And I just wanted to kind of show you, I mean, when you're straight underneath the tree, come take a look at the guards, you can kind of see that they're not gathering any debris on them. They've kind of been self-maintaining and working just fine for the client. 2 years later, they basically look like the day they were installed, which is what we expect. Alrighty, and now we're on to the back side of the home, 3 stories up, guards looking beautiful, just like the day they were installed. Maintenance free for this client, straight runs of gutter. They always generally maintain themselves. No pine needles to be fighting, so smooth sailing for this client. So here we have yet another satisfied homeowner. This is why I do what I do. If you're struggling with clogged gutters at your home and you're looking for a solution, please give me a call at 717-415-8102, or you can visit my website, cloggedguttersolutions.com. I built that to be a resource for homeowners so you guys can get all the years of education and experience that I've learned about gutter guards over the years, and y'all can see it for yourselves. Again, this is Stephen Pender with Leafblaster. Thank you for watching.